Hi, welcome in another Suzuki trial. Let's see if Suzuki will pass Sand Challenge. In the middle of the fields there are ongoing river embankment repairs. Pass through it is covered with sand. First, I must go through small step down. Next is flat sand with partly visible traces. And most challenging uphill drive, where traces were not clear and surface uneven. When done with good speed, car was not losing traction at all. Going down is just a formality. There was 12 degrees of steepness. Surface is uneven around. One more try in slow motion, starting from middle of this ascent. Surface has been already flattened by my first drive, it was easier. Only front wheel dug a little hole. Summarizing, traction is fine, especially on wet sand. All should go well, unless you will not use too much throttle and you will not hang car on some deep hole. Thanks for watching, bye.